Video archive 28, CHWY, long, May 23rd to May 29th. Trade duration, 4 trading days. Entry, $16.54. Exit, $19.32. 16.8% gain. This is my trading charted. All right, here is the chart. We're looking at the daily. The trade that I took was defined by this upward sloping channel here. Actually, let's pull up the RSI real quick. You can see we had 3 touches of bullish divergence. On these lows, this is the daily time frame. And then price started putting in this upward sloping channel, which is really the first time it started. I guess those highs are equal, but you can see here's the channel. When we zoom into the 1 hour RSI, you see it's kind of putting in this divergence consistently. It's coming to about this level as it's touching the bottom trend line. So I entered at here, held the 200, and we had the confluence of the 200 period moving average on the 1 hour and the bottom of the trend line. That gave me a clear area to manage my risk. And then if you look, we can take the width of that channel. Oops. But take the width of the elasticity of this and get an estimate for the breakout distance. I took profits at the 200 period moving average, but you can see price gapped up above, just blasted through it. So I missed out on half the profit there, but 17%, not mad about that. This is interesting because I don't know, you can maybe draw something like this. To explore some fibs on this real quick. And that's also the 0.5 right here from this previous breakdown. Got a 1.13 there as well. I'm going to drop a horizontal real quick. So some clear significance on that horizontal. I'll play this out real quick to what happened after I exited. So yeah, not letting my winners run. Something I got to work on. I'm curious if we're coming in for a touch of this diagonal I have drawn on. That's ever since the all-time high back in 2021, it's encompassed price action. So will we get a break soon of this level? A fill of this gap, which we came up and tested the bottom of here before trending back down to all-time lows. Well, I don't know. It'll be interesting to see. I'm likely just going to wait for a break of this trend line and then a retest before going long. Because there's this gap up here. Let's make sure that's on the daily. And shout out Rocky Outcrop. If I recall correctly, there's a Rocky Outcrop flash confluent with this gap up here. So we'll see. I don't see CHWY going anywhere in the long run. I mean, going bankrupt anytime soon. That is my trading charted.